Safari Adventure. Meet some of Africa's wild animals.
Hi there, I'm your safari guide. Get ready to meet some of the coolest animals in Africa. Let's get in my Jeep and go looking for animals. First up, we've got lions. These big cats are known as the kings of the jungle, even though they live in the grasslands. They rest for up to 20 hours a day. Let's keep going in the Jeep and see what else we can find. Look at those giants. African elephants might be one of the largest land animals on Earth that we know of. Their ears are shaped kinda like Africa, and they spray themselves off with water sometimes. Back in the Jeep, we go to find more animals. Next up, zebras. From what we know, every zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes. They can run fast to escape predators. I see another animal. It's the cheetah. These speedy cats are the fastest animals on land that we know of. They can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour when chasing prey. Wow, what an adventure. Thanks for coming along to meet some of Africa's amazing animals. Maybe we will see each other again sometime. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Thanks to Vidu Studio for the ability to make animations. Please see links in the description below.